Hey, how you doing? I'm RJ.
I'm Tracy.
And we're with ISW, and today we're going to talk about JET-PRO Active Wear.
So when you think active wear, what do you think? Working
Polyester.
out, polyester, that kind of thing. Polyester isn't what it used to be. So polyester is kind of thin. It's kind of nice. It's soft. So when you think about this, it's very stretchy. It washes well, that kind of stuff. So Neenah came out with JET-PRO Active Wear. It is made for 100% polyester garments. It's very pliable. It's nice on the garment. The polymer coating will kind of disappear a little bit over time as you wash it. So that's kind of a nice feature of that. And it's pretty soft. So this paper, you want to tell them what it's pressed at?
Yeah. So we're going to set the press to 375 degrees, and we're going to press our shirt or polyester item for 25 seconds. And then once it comes out, this is going to be a hot peel.
And don't forget, when you print your image, you're going to print it mirror image because it does go on with the image face down on your garment.
So like we said before, we're going to do a hot peel. Wow, that came out nice.
Looks good. So once you press it, you're going to notice a little bit of a box around your image. Not a big deal because after you wash it the first time, that's probably going to end up going away. But it's a very soft finish. It almost feels like silk on the polyester.
Yeah.
Tips about JET-PRO Active Wear. There's one big tip that they do recommend. Any inkjet printer will work. They do recommend you stay away from HP brand just due to the ink that actually comes in those inkjet printers. It doesn't want to adhere to the polyester in the shirt as well as, say, Brother or Canon, anything like that. As far as washing, they tell you to wait 24 hours before you wash it to let the ink saturate, make sure it's dry completely. And if you notice, we did use a C88 Epson. Printer's about $100, so really you can use just about any printer off the shelf with your inkjet paper, and you're kind of in the market to make shirts.
And there you have it. That is JET-PRO Active Wear. Once again, I'm RJ.
I'm Tracy.
Have a good day.